we're going to do something a little bit different today. We're going to do a bit of men's yoga. Or actually, we're going to do some breaks in the front of the Spyder. So I call it men's yoga because I've got to get down on the ground, do all that sort of stuff. So a bit of maintenance on the Spyder. So the first thing I do is clean out the shed, get rid of the mower, move the Spyder aside, probably a bit of the trailer as well, and then we're good to go. All right, let's see how we go with that. Okay, these are the tools you're going to need. Starting from down the bottom, that's a Torx 30 tip. Ideally, you have that on a ratchet, which that one is. A big screwdriver. You're going to need some rubber gloves, some brake cleaner, definitely a jack stand and a trolley jack, and a paper towel or some rags to clean your hands with. So this is not a how-to video. This is more just this is the things you'll need if you're going to do yourself some front brake pads. Easy to do. I'll link you to a really good how-to video down below. Okay, so if you've got a couple of tools that I should have mentioned, you're going to need yourself a 21mm socket, preferably one that's meant to go on a ratchet gun, which is the one up the back there, or rattle gun, or call it what you'd like, a torque gun. It's basically so you can undo the wheels, because I'm sure that the dealer or person who worked on it has done them up with one of those, so you're going to need that. But you're also going to need that lovely little torque wrench there in the middle. I think it's 75 foot-pound. If you check out the video that I'll link from the guy that's actually doing it, it'll show you what it is. But you're going to need those three tools as well to get it off and get back on with your tyre. Okay, for those who are wondering why I called it men's yoga earlier, this is why. You do a bit of downward dog, and to get it down, and now I've got a bit of a disability, so mobility is not my thing. But you need to get down under and check out where everything is. So welcome to men's yoga.